everyone. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about the future. So we will use the simple future tenses, will and be going to. Now with these two tenses, will and be going to, we always use the simple form of the verb. Let's look at some vocabulary. Okay, first we have invent new machines. This is to create or make something new. Invent new machines. Or discover new medicines. So you find new medicines to treat illnesses. Live on the moon. Live on the moon. Work on a space station. Work on a space station. And use the internet. Use the internet. Clone people and animals. So make copies of people and animals. Clone people and animals. We will also be able to travel to other planets in the future. Travel to other planets. Okay, now let's look at some sentences using this new vocabulary. Please take a look at your screen. One day, people will live on the moon and work on space stations. In the future, everyone will use the internet. Do you think we will clone people or animals in the future? In the next 50 years, maybe people will travel to other planets. Scientists will probably invent new machines and discover new medicines.